Hey guys, to deal with her, how to fix the age restriction problem on Tinder. So if you guys are wondering how to fix the age restriction problem on the Tinder application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this problem step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go and proceed with launching the Tinder application. Now from here, I would like you guys to make sure, first, that you are not connected with your Facebook application. Now, you could actually proceed with connecting your social media with Tinder. So as soon as you have the option to do so, I would like you guys to actually not proceed with doing that so that Tinder does not detect your age from those other applications. Now, if you want to go in and fix the age restriction, you can actually proceed with just creating a new Tinder application and then, of course, changing your age on there now. Well, that is the only way that we could actually do this. Since, of course, changing the age on Tinder is not necessarily possible, since of course, we only have a limited options of so if you want to go ahead and fix this, the best option for us to do is to go ahead and proceed with deleting our Tinder account and creating a new one. That is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe us all if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.